have created this model, cat, dog, and wild animal face classifier in deep learning using the convolution neural network. So, what is the purpose of this model? So, this model classifies that the given face image of the animal is a cat face image, dog face image, or wild animal face image. So, it classifies that. Okay. So, the first step is train and test data path. Okay, then import image data generator and do a data augmentation. Data augmentation is basically used for creating multiple images from a single image. Like if I give 20 image, so it creates like 80 images. Like it rescale the images, it increase the shear range, it zoomed images, flip the images horizontally and vertically and etc. Okay, so this is a data augmentation. And train set dot class indices, it tells about the classes. Like if it predict that 0, then it means the given image is a cat face image. If it predict 1, then the given image is a dog face image. If it predicts 2, then the given face image is a wild animal face. Okay, then import required libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and our layers like convolutional, Maxpool, 2D, dense, and etc. TensorFlow, then model, image for the image processing, and etc. Okay, then we are using here transfer learning, like a pre-trained model of VGG16 model. It is a pre-trained and a best optimized model for implement a CNN model. Okay, here we create our VGG16 model. Okay, then here uh, I falls all the layers which are already trained, so I don't want to train again and again. Okay, then flatten layer. Then this is our output, three output, 0, 1, and 2. Okay, 0 is for cat, 1 is for dog, and 2 is for wild face image. Okay, then make a model, then compile a model, then check our summary of the model. So this is our summary. Then the last step is train our model. Train our model for 20 epochs. Okay, so this is our training of the model. Then save a model. Okay, and save into this drive and save into his local system. Okay, you can save only at once. Okay, check the accuracy of the model. Okay, accuracy and logs. Check the test accuracy. So this is a 97.33% test accuracy. Then this is the code for test our model. So firstly, load a model of the given path. The path is coming from here. Okay, then convert image into array, then rescale image, then expand the dimension of the image, then it returns a prediction value like 0, 1, or 2. If it predict 0, then this is a cat face, predict 1, dog face, else wild animal face. Okay, so this is our image path. I call a test model function with the image path. Okay, so it predicts a dog face, and again give a wild face image, so it predict a wild animal face. Okay, thank you. So this is my cat, dog, wild animal face classifier. I also deployed this model with the help of Python framework Flask, which provides a web development facility. Okay, so this is my cat, dog, and wild animal face classifier. uh, when you click on the code, source code, so you got all these files. Okay, so this is a dataset link. You can download the dataset from here, and you can also download the pre-trained model which I trained. Okay. So this is my deployment of the cat, dog, and wild animal face classifier. Like choose, like if I give a test image, like if I give a like wild animal face, so then click on the predict button. It predicted that wild animal face. Okay, like choose again. Like if I choose a cat image, then it predict a cat face. Okay, so this is my cat, dog, and wild animal face classifier. Okay, thank you. And if you are interested in data science, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, so you can follow my blog. So you can follow my blog. Here, I upload the project tutorials. So you can follow my blog here. All the explanation you got about the project, like about the project, about the data set, and about how to use it, and how to get the source code. Okay, all information you got here. Okay, so thank you guys. We will meet in the next tutorial, and if you have any type of doubt, so you can comment below.